How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix your MOZA FFB not working on the Forza Horizon 6. So the first thing that you want to do is to just make sure that you have connected the device properly. Now you want to connect your pedals with the back of the wheelbase. Connect the wheelbase to the power brick and then plug it onto the wall outlet. And then right after, you could just use the USB connection in order to connect it to your device. Right after, you want to head over to the MOZA Pit House application. Basically, you could get this from the official website itself. Click on the gear icon, which is going to be this one, and just make sure that you are using the 1.3.9. And in here, we have the base Forza Horizon compatibility. Make sure it's turned on. And for the pedal Horizon compatible mode, you could also turn it on if you have the pedal right here. Now, the next thing that you want to do is to just actually head over to the settings of Forza, which is going to be settings. And then you want to click on controls, change input mapping, navigate through wheel. And from here, you can then go ahead and map the wheel the way you want to. And then from there, it can go ahead and simply work off the get-go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.